Hey guys, I was just walking by and I just met this family. So I'm meeting them the same time you're meeting them. So what are your names? What's your name? Reina. What's your name?
Cyrus.
Cyrus. And are these your 3 children?
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
This James.
James.
This Cyrus Jr.
Cyrus Jr. Alright, cool. So is this where you live?
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you been living here for?
3 years.
3 years? Okay, with the children? How old is your oldest?
This 6.
She's 6?
6 years.
Okay. And how old is 3 and
9 months.
9 months? Alright. So you've been living here for 3 years? Where did you live before that?
Province.
In the province?
Camotes Island.
Okay. And why did you move here? So this is your store? Okay. Alright, cool. How much do you usually earn a day with this store?
600 and then 400.
600? About 600 a day?
And then 4.
And then 400. What do you mean? Like you make between 4 and 600?
This and then 600 and then next day and then 700, 600, 400.
Okay. So it's around that much every day. Okay. So when you sell out these items, you just go get more? Alright. So do your children, are they able to go to school? You go to school? You go to school?
Yeah.
Cool. What's your favorite class? What's your favorite subject?
Saya paborito subject ko no.
Which one?
Project pa.
Subject na imo
Science.
paborito ba?
Math. Cool. What about you? Is he too young for school?
Yeah.
Okay. When will he start school?
Here in Barangay.
Oh, he does go to school now?
Yeah, Barangay.
Okay. So do you guys have family around this area, or are they all in the province?
Me?
Do you have family around here, or are they all in the province where you're from?
No.
You have family here? Okay.
Family is 4, 5.
Okay, but do you have family outside of this family? Do you have other family like your?
No. 1, 2, 3 is family.
Okay. Do you have parents or brothers and sisters? No. What about you? You don't have brothers or sisters or parents? No. Okay. All right. Well, you look like one happy family. You have nice kids. Well, there's some. Do you guys like Lugaw?
Lugaw.
Lugaw?
Lugaw.
Yeah, like porridge. I saw a place that was serving some right there. Would you guys want? If I got 5 meals, you guys want to sit down and have a little meal? Yeah. Okay. I'll walk over there and get 5 or 6. I'll have one too. So I'll get some drinks too. What do you guys like to drink? Water? Water? All right. I'll get 6 waters and 6 Lugaws. All right. I'll be right back. Okay. All right. No problem.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right. Luckily, when I was walking by here, I saw a place that was selling Lugaw. So they should have enough for just 6 people. Hi, how are you?
Fine.
So is this Lugaw?
Yeah.
Is it 2 different kinds?
Like chocolate.
Speak Cebuano?
No, I don't.
Ano? This Lugaw, ana. Cebuano, Lugaw.
Champurado.
Yeah, I'll have 6. But what's the difference? Is this different?
Champurado.
Chocolate.
So it's like chocolate,
Oh,
and this is just regular Lugaw, and this is. Okay.
Oh,
Ooh, that's
yummy.
That's hot. Which one do you like better?
Chocolate.
Yeah. I didn't ask what kind they want. I'm getting it for someone else. I don't know what kind to get, but maybe I'll get How to get 6 of these? Yeah, 6.
Take out.
Take out, yeah. And do you have water here? Is there a place to get water nearby? Okay. I'm gonna walk over here and get some water.
No, mabitas, dili mo diha. Thank you.
Salamat. Salamat po.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Mixing you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. All right. Here you go.
I see.
For this, what is your top seller? You sell mostly cigarettes and little candies.
And snowball.
All right. Where do you usually buy your cigarettes and your candies?
Here's
In the
a
supermarket.
supermarket Ramos.
Maybe I can go there by myself, or if you'd want to go with me, I could get you some supplies so you can sell them more. All right, so we're gonna walk down to the supermarket.
And this street and then supermarket.
Okay, so we're gonna walk down to the supermarket and get some more supplies so he's able to sell them and continue on his little business. So how long have you been selling on that spot before?
And then every day.
Every day? So you're here every day?
Every day.
What location are we?
And this and the street.
All right, this location, it's Ranudo,
Ranudo and then Ramos Market.
and we're going to Ramos Market. Well, it's right by Melt Snack Lounge.
No, and this street.
Yeah, I'm just trying to tell people where you are so they can come and purchase your things from you.
Yeah.
So if anybody's familiar with this location, if you want to help this family out and purchase some of their products, you can come to Ramos. And they're right on that corner, and they're a really nice family, so you guys can come by and buy some of their cigarettes if you smoke, and they got some candies too if you're not a smoker. But all right, we're gonna walk down to the supermarket and get some supplies for him.
Ito tambalan niya. This market.
Hi. Which one is your most popular?
Popular in this day.
Yeah, like which one do you sell the most of?
10 pieces, and then Marlboro, and then Winston 10 pieces.
So Winston and Marlboro are probably your two top ones? Do
Okay.
you sell the most of those? Okay. Can we get 3 packs of Marlboros and 3 packs of Winstons? Is there another kind?
Hope.
And Hope? And 3 of Hope?
Aling.
So this was 828, around like $17 or so. And then we'll go in to the store and get some of the candies. Or can we get the candies here?
Snowbird and Max.
Only Max.
Or just get some of the Max?
Okay.
Okay.
How much?
How about just the rest of this worth?
No, it's cigarettes.
Hmm?
One pack in cigarettes.
You'd rather have one more pack?
Oh, one pack Marlboro.
Okay, so you'd rather have the cigarettes than the candy?
Oh, candies.
Hindi, one pack lang.
One pack Marlboro and then it's all sa pag in English ang sobra man.
Okay, then one more pack of Marlboro, or
Oh.
and
Hindi.
then the rest with candy.
Hindi.
Okay, okay. Bye. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Yeah. I don't think I would have found this back here if I was alone. I don't think I would have found this place if I was by myself.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of tucked away. So what is this? It's rice cake?
So,
It's made out of rice
yeah. And coconut.
and coconut. Cool.
Salamat. Mari ko. Oy. Pangro.
Yung lugaw.
Yeah, I'll have one.
Kaunay. Yung siya.
Jalan nyo na nung pagkaulo. Ayaw sa bahay. Huwag kitag na. Init na, init na.
All right, so I had Lugaw a few different times. Let's see how this tastes. It's good.
Oh! Abot mo yung kagaw. Ay, ginahin mo yung kagaw. Salam! Ano to? Ano ang gagawin doon?
It's a very busy corner. Many people come here and purchase the cigarettes. This is a good location.
Yeah.
Good location, yeah. You sell many cigarettes a day, yeah. Oh, I didn't know they sold drinks too. So you sell drinks too? I didn't notice. Oh, nice. So this is yours too. All right, cool.
Coke. Meteor Spring and Royal.
All right, nice. With the money you make with this, you're not able to have like a home or a place of your own.
Naman.
No money.
It's not enough money, so you don't make enough money to have your own place. Okay. And you said you usually make around 500 a day, 500 or 600 pesos a day. About 4. Okay. And that goes to probably feeding your children and
Yeah.
things like that. All right. Hold on. Want to do it again? So what does that mean? It's like a respect to elders?
yeah.
Okay.
What?
Huh?
That's my sister.
That's your sister?
No.
Ah.
What? Train her.
That's your friend?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
That's parking boy.
Oh, like a parking?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you help people like back in and park and things like that? Okay, nice. All right, guys, I'm probably about to take off, but remember this location? I'll put it down here. But if you guys are
Ramos.
around this area,
Yeah.
and you guys want to come out and purchase some of these products, and they have drinks too. So if you're not a smoker, they got their things as well. You can help out this family. But, all right, it's really nice meeting you guys.
Yeah, thank you very much.
I'll be back in May around this
okay.
area, so
You
maybe
back here,
I'll try to come back
You
here
back here.
and see you guys again. Yeah, I'm flying home in May.
Okay.
Yeah, but all right,
Thank you
it was
very
really
much.
nice meeting you guys.
God bless.
All right, God bless you guys. All right, take care. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. All right, see you later. Take care. I like meeting families like that. They have a way that they're making money. They're not just like sitting there, you know, and just asking for handouts. And they are homeless. With the money that they're making with their store, it's not enough to have a place to stay. You know, with the children they have, I'm sure the food, the clothing goes towards the children, and then probably at the end of the day, it's just not quite enough to have their own place. But sorry, I'm burping a little bit from the Lugaw. That's good. That's probably my new favorite thing to eat. I tried to eat that this morning at my place, but they were sold out. So that's pretty much my breakfast for today. Well, all right, guys, I'm gonna continue walking. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This was actually, I talked to someone who donated money for today, and we kind of discussed kind of how to make the money worthwhile. And this is kind of a good thing. We're getting things for people. They can continue to sell it and make money off of that. And also we got them a meal. So I think I'm starting to figure things out and try to make the money go as long as possible. So, you know, I'm doing this, I'm learning as I go, and I appreciate you guys having the patience with me. And one day soon, maybe as my channel grows, we can even do bigger things. So, you know, this is just the beginning. Later on, maybe we can get people their own Cyrus stores or things like that. But for right now, hopefully this is good enough for you guys. But anyways, I'm gonna continue walking. You guys take care. All right, God bless. Bye.